everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. This is single crochet stitch from front loop. Slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot. Take hook and yarn with these fingers. Take hook, take yarn. Yarn over, make one chain. Make one chain. Continue to chaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make one more chain for start to crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this chain, yarn over, make a loop, yarn over, pull through. Make one chain, turn it, we have 2 yarns in here, top of a stitch like this, 1, 2. This is front loops. I show this is front loops, this is back loops. In normal single crochet stitch we crochet like this. Take these 2 yarns on hook and make a loop and make one single crochet stitch like this. Take this loops, take 2 yarn like this. In here make a chain, turn it. For second round we have start to stitch from front loops. We have 2 loops in top of a stitch, 2 loop. This is front loop, this is back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop. Start to crochet from this loop, front loop, make a loop, make one single crochet, make a loop from front loop, pull through, make a single crochet, take front loop on your hook, make one single crochet. make one loop in last stitch, make a single crochet, make one chain, turn it, continue from front loop, this loop, make one single crochet, make a chain, turn it, make one single crochet on front loops,